Hi there. Today I want to talk about something critical for businesses in Oman: data security mistakes that could cost you millions. Did you know that over 61% of data breaches come from third-party interactions? And in Oman, non-compliance with data protection laws can result in fines up to 500,000 OMR. That's around 1.3 million US dollars. So what are the three biggest mistakes companies in Oman are making? First, unmanaged third-party access. When you work with vendors and suppliers, are you tracking who has access to your sensitive data? In 2024, over 35% of data breaches were directly linked to third-party access. The solution? Regular audits of access rights and clear policies for all external partners. Second mistake: inconsistent encryption practices. With Oman's personal data protection law now in effect, encryption isn't just a good practice. It's required by law. Many companies use multiple tools without standardized policies, creating dangerous security gaps. The fix? Develop a comprehensive encryption policy and automate those protocols. Finally, there's the problem of audit readiness. As your business grows, you'll need to comply with multiple frameworks simultaneously. Without centralized governance and proper documentation, you're exposing yourself to serious penalties and operational disruptions. What's the solution to all these challenges? Consider implementing a unified data protection framework that provides single-tenant controls, integrated security measures, and complete auditability. Ready to strengthen your data compliance in Oman? Visit our website to request a demo and discover how we can transform your security approach. Because when it comes to data security in Oman, prevention is always better than recovery.
If it's private, kite it.